there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello there. Today, I'm going to share with you how to hide a button in a list view page. But before anything else, I just want to inform you that I am not a Python programmer, but a Power Builder programmer. Since we are implementing ERP Next in our company, I am sharing this video to help others who are learning for the first time ERP Next scripting and are struggling to find some resources just like me. Please forgive me if I won't be able to discuss in detail why we will be using such script or syntax, as I am not familiar with Python, and I somehow follow what has been shared on the internet, and I do some tweaking for my requirements. Thank you for your understanding. So let us now start the demonstration. For this example, we will make use of the quotation page. To do this, let us first check the name of the button using the inspect function to view the codes. Quickly, I will search the text DD quotation. And as you can see here, the name of the button as defined in its class is BTN primary. We will use this name in our script to hide the add quotation button. Let us make use of another tab page to open the client script so it will be easy for us to go back. Click the Add Client Script button. Let us name this new script as Quotation List Script. The doc type will be quotation, and apply to will be set to list. For the script, we will use the list view underscore settings to access the quotation doc type. Now, this script will be triggered whenever a refresh event occurs. We will be using a JavaScript to execute the hide command. Now, don't forget to tick mark the Enable button, otherwise you will wonder why your script is not working. Click the Save button. Now, let us go back to the quotation page. Let us first close the code viewer. Watch closely the Add Quotation button as I reload the page. And there you go, the Add Quotation button is now gone. To bring back the Add Quotation button, let us remark the script and reload the page. Now, the Add Quotation button is back again. And that concludes our demonstration for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.